Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to set up our room, and we have been procrastinating for many days that we are going to do it, and every weekend I'm like, I said no, like I'm too tired, I'm too this, and he's like, this weekend he was actually like on Thursday night he actually asked me, like, okay, we're going to this weekend, start our vlogging. And then I was like, yeah, we will do it and all next morning. And the next morning when I woke up, it was a different story, and he knew it. And then he was kind of pissed, but then I was like, okay, I will just not try to procrastinate, and we should actually be doing this. So as you can see in the background, that is something what I had done it myself. It's like a golden wall hanging, and I've used some flowers and an old stitching embroidery. You have that what do you call it, I don't know, but I've used something like that, and I made something, and there are a few more other things which you'll see throughout the video.
The thing is, we wanted to do this in our previous home that was in Dubai, but then we didn't really go ahead with it because first of all there was no time and we were busy with our cooking and recipes and everything else. So we thought, since we're coming into this new house and it was something like what we wanted with a balcony and everything, so we thought, why not go ahead with it.
And let me tell you all guys, this is a very small space, and I don't know, we are not we're really proud about it because we made the right decision, because when it comes to saving up, and though it's a small place, but we want to make it a cozy one. And so let's get started. So guys, this is how our room looks before, and it's a small space, but we are trying to make it more cozy and comfortable. And you can see it's a little bit messy, but for sure you're going to like the end results of this. So guys, this is the canopy I had purchased from Amazon, and basically, as you can see, there's usually a round thing which it's a mesh material, and there's a round wire which gives it the round shape if you want to occupy the whole bed. And over here we didn't bring our bed.
Yeah, we didn't get the entire bed frame because that would occupy a lot of space, and to be honest, it'll be a bit congested. And the best thing is the mattress on the floor.
Yeah, I mean, I find it more comfortable and it's very cozy on the floor. So I wanted to do something with the canopy, some lights, bed sheet, pillows, and just a cozy place, something like that. That's what I have in mind. So let's see how this goes.
So I'm gonna let her do the canopy thing, and I'm gonna set up the lights later.
So guys, as you can see, this is the screw we have fixed here, and since I removed the wiring, it will give me a better. I just want to make it like a frame, so I'm going to put this on top like this. I'm just going to hang it up, and this is the opening. So I want to make it like a frame, so I'll spread it out and tuck it inside the mattress. So I've stuck a hook around here so that it holds the net. Since I didn't really have the actual hooks, proper hooks, like I'll be covering it with the light, so it's not seen much. I have to measure this and put it at the same way I put over there. I think this is enough, right?
Little down.
Fine, right?
Yeah.
So this is how it looks like basically, and now Aston will proceed to tuck this inside and put the lights just like hanging. Nothing to be done with proper proportions or something. Just you can put on the lights.
What better way to use Christmas lights again? So I'm just gonna take the same angle for Christmas tree, triangle shape. I've taken multiple loops around that nail, and I'm gonna spread it out, using the sellotape. So that the entire background glows up.
I think this is a good idea for date night.
That leads to many other things.
Right. This is something I always wanted to do. I love lights, I love flowers, I love all these things.
searching for a long
जल्दी करो जल्दी.
Oye, madam.
कितना टाइम? I'm feeling sleepy.
Yeah, you don't want to be electrocuted in the middle of the night, right?
I can do this in 5 minutes.
बड़ी बड़ी बातें बड़ा पाव खाते हैं.
So now since the lights are done, we'll be fixing the top part again.
people feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way, yeah. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane.
So guys, the frame is almost done, and we have used white bed sheet because we wanted the colors to stand out. So I'll be showing you all guys how I did my DIY pillow cushions, and you can see the outcome. And I've hand stitched them, so it's like it's something good, like an achievement for me.
Savannah, I'm coming home.
My pillow is always thrown.
Right. So I'll be using some big cushions, the big pillows for the behind part, and then I'll be, putting my DIY small cushions that you have in here.
Never be alone.
So basically, as you can see, I have made these cushions, from my old, t-shirts and shirts, which I hardly used to use, and I've hand stitched them, and they look amazing. The colors are pretty good. And I have tried to make some bows out of the t-shirts to give it a different cushion look. And yes, so this is how it looks. Then I had purchased a rug. Oops, I forgot to remove the tag. So this is one of the rugs we had purchased from the discount center from here. And I think it's the best place you can purchase your stuff over here. It's like a dollar shop, and you get all your stuff within 1 to 10 dirhams. And I think it's pretty good enough, like for something that you want to decorate your house with, and you are looking for something cheap. So I think this is good, and I just got this for around 19 dirhams or something.
No, it's around 30 dirhams.
Oh, just 19 dirhams. No, 29.
20 plus. But it's still a good deal.
Yes, I mean, I love this, this soft fur. So I'll be placing it in front of the, the mattress to, like whenever we get down, like, we can just get on this rug. So I'll be placing it here in the shape of a fish, I guess. So I'm placing, a table on top of the rug, and we can use this as our breakfast in bed table, or we can use it for using the laptop. So I'll just keep the laptop for time being over here. This is our most important gadget for us when editing. And we do have a side table out here, so we thought of utilizing it, to give it extra different decor.
So this was another thing that we found in the dollar shop. Our eyes fell on this the very first moment. I was just walking out. I don't wait. I found something for the lights, and we thought of having a different light. We have a thought of having a different ways and everything, but this is all in one. Like
I think this we got for 10 dirhams.
this was for 10 dirhams.
I think that's pretty good.
It starts.
It looks amazing, right, guys? For 1080, like almost if you go to see Indian rupees, 100 rupees. And we'll be placing it on the table, side table. Looks pretty good. So this is another flower vase, and I like the color combination, the yellow and the blue. And we'll be placing it on the table side of the bulb. Put the cushions back in its place. This is our sofa, and very important, disinfectant spray, Dettol. We have to use it because of the coronavirus, we are a bit paranoid. So, and I'll be putting up the blanket, and we cover it with a blanket. And my teddy, I won't ever give up on this.
It's simply occupying space.
Oh please. And I'll place it over here because we don't have place for teddy on the bed, but we have 2 main pillows. And Well, as you all know, basically this is a studio. Though I know it's a little bit cramped up, but we can still manage to do our stuff over here. And pretty much that's it. Like for our room that we have done. As you can see, I have done that DIY, my pillow cushions, and also that another DIY. I wanted to do a little more, but I will do it in due course of time. I'll complete it, and let's show you all the final look of the entire house.
Alright guys, so this is the Mrs. dressing table. Cannot miss this. And our fridge is here. The oven is here. The entire cupboard is hers, huh, Baba? These are the studio lights that we use while shooting the videos. And our sofa. Her DIY project that she has done. And our bed, finally.
And doesn't this look so cozy and so warm, and it just absolutely feels like home. I think we'll have date night every day. So I hope you all enjoyed watching the video, guys. Please do like and subscribe to our channel. You can also follow us on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter and show us your love. So we'll see you next time, guys, with another video and another vlog. And please do let us know if we have any suggestions or anything related to our vlog. And
Please do leave a comment and let us know what you all would like us to do for the future vlog.
so bye, guys.
Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a ride. Savannah.